Hello, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be showing you 4 after school snack ideas for your little ones. Let's get straight into this video with our first snack. So here I'm starting with an apple. You can use an apple of your choice, and I'm going to be slicing that in some nice round circles. Once you've removed all the seeds, it's time to get to the fun part. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is absolutely delicious on apple, and my 4-year-old son absolutely loves these peanut butter apple slices. Be generous with the peanut butter. Peanut butter has a variety of nutrients, which is amazing for our little ones. So once you finish applying peanut butter onto your apple slices, it's time to cut up some fruits. You can just use any fruits that you know that your child will eat. So here I'm using some strawberries, which I know my son loves, and I'm going to add it to our snack. I will be adding some Greek yogurt with some honey and a dash of cinnamon, and that's it for our first snack. Nice, quick and easy. Our second snack is bagel pizza and some cut up vegetables. So here I'm just using a bagel of any of your choice. You can use any that you have at home. And I'm going to be using some tomato ketchup, and I'm just going to add that onto my bagel, and I'm going to just spread it across. Once I finish spreading it across, I will then add my cheese of choice. You can add your toppings, any toppings that you know that your child likes. You can add that on top, and then you add your cheese, and then you pop it into the oven for about 4 minutes. And once the cheese is melted, remove it, allow it to cool down, and then you can cut up some vegetables. So here I've got some sliced carrots and some chopped up cucumber with some sour cream at the side, which he can use it to dip his vegetables. And that's our second snack done. The third snack is the mixed fruit platter. It's so simple and easy, especially when you're running out of ideas or even time to put a snack together. Just grab any fruits that you have at home, plate them up nicely. If you can cut them up, give them different shapes, and just pop it onto a plate or a bowl for them to enjoy. Fourth snack is a rice cake with peanut butter and banana, and this definitely holds the tummy down. Just spread some peanut butter over the rice cake. Once you finish doing that, slice some bananas and place them on top. Have as much banana slices you want on top of this rice cake. I will be also adding some extra fruits on the side so that he can nibble on, and this will definitely hold their tummies down whilst you are preparing dinner. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and that you are no longer going to be spending a lot of time in the kitchen trying to prepare an after school snack for your children. It will be quick, easy and snappy. Trust me, it works. If you want to see more videos from me, remember to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos from me.